Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into some sizzling news about Samsung's upcoming foldable devices. If you've been eagerly awaiting the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Z Flip 6, brace yourself for some significant price changes. Let's get started. The rumor mill. Whispers in the tech world are hinting at substantial price hikes for Samsung's latest foldable devices, particularly in Europe. If these rumors hold true, we could be looking at a global increase in prices. This news has the tech community buzzing with speculation and concern. Announcement date. Mark your calendars for July 10th, when Samsung will officially unveil these new devices. Initial expectations already suggested a higher price tag compared to previous models. However, fresh insights from sources like Smart Pricks indicate an even steeper increase than anticipated. Predicted prices. So, what might you expect to pay for the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Here are the predicted prices for the European market. €2,200 for the 256GB storage variant. €2,330 for the 512GB variant. €2,580 for the 1TB variant. These prices reflect a notable jump from last year's Galaxy Z Fold 5, which was approximately €300 cheaper. While these figures aren't set in stone, they give us a glimpse into the potential cost of Samsung's cutting-edge technology. Comparing markets. Interestingly, the rumored price hike in Europe is much steeper than the $100 increase suggested for the US market earlier this month. This discrepancy raises questions about the accuracy of these rumors. Could one market's information be more reliable than the other? Time will tell, but we're certainly hoping the European rumors are off the mark. What's new? The Galaxy Z Fold 6 promises some exciting upgrades. All models are expected to feature 12GB of RAM and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. While other specifications may not differ drastically from the Z Fold 5, significant design enhancements are on the horizon. Expect a more sophisticated look with sharper corners and a sleek finish. Pricing details. Let's dive into the pricing details for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. It will be available in two storage options. 256GB for €1,399, approximately $1,530. 512GB for €1,566, approximately $1,720. Compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Flip 6 comes with a slight price increase of about €130. In the US, this translates to an estimated $100 hike, aligning with the rumors we've heard. Comparison with Galaxy Z Flip 5. How does the Z Flip 6 compare to the Z Flip 5? While the design remains similar, there are several notable upgrades. A larger battery for extended use. An upgraded primary camera, jumping from 12MP to 50MP. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Android 14 with enhanced AI features. New features of Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is not just about minor tweaks, it brings several new features to the table. The same sleek design with a 6.7-inch main screen and a 3.4-inch cover screen. Improved AI capabilities, making it a top contender in the foldable phone market. Enhanced durability and usability features to elevate the user experience. Unpacked event announcement. Get ready for Samsung's next big reveal. The Unpacked event is scheduled for July 10 in Paris, just ahead of the 2024 Summer Olympics. At this event, Samsung will showcase their latest innovations, including the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Pre-reservations and special offers. Exciting news for early adopters. Samsung is offering pre-reservations for their new devices. By signing up with your name and email, you can receive a $50 credit towards your purchase. Additionally, you'll be entered into a sweepstakes for a chance to win a $5,000 credit. Other Samsung devices to expect. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 isn't the only star of the show. At the Unpacked event, Samsung will also introduce Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, the latest in wearable technology, Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro, high-quality audio accessories, Galaxy Ring, a smart ring designed for seamless connectivity. First, look at the dummy model. We're kicking things off with the first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy model, which has been crafted based on leaked information. This model is derived from the Chinese variant, so while it gives us a solid preview, there may be some minor differences from the final global release. The dummy model provides a tangible glimpse into the new design and features, setting the stage for our detailed comparison. Design overhaul. Let's delve into the design changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has adopted a more squared-off shape, contrasting with the Fold 5's rounded edges. This change gives the Fold 6 a more modern and sophisticated appearance. When opened, the device showcases a sleek, smooth surface that maintains a clean and tidy look even when closed. The new design is not just about aesthetics, it also aims to improve the overall handling and usability of the phone. Outer screen comparison. Now let's examine the outer screen. Interestingly, there's not much change in terms of size. The screen protector from the Fold 5 fits the Fold 6 perfectly, indicating that the screens are identical in dimensions. However, there are subtle enhancements. The part where the screen bends is now thinner, making the device look more refined and less bulky. This adjustment could also potentially reduce wear and tear on the screen over time. Color and contrast. With the screen off, the Fold 6 presents a more open and expansive look. This difference is especially noticeable when comparing the white and black models. The white version in particular highlights the clean lines and sleek design, while the black version exudes a more professional and elegant vibe. The contrast in appearance gives each color variant a unique aesthetic appeal, catering to different user preferences. Case compatibility and camera upgrades. One of the surprising findings is that the Fold 6 fits perfectly into a Fold 5 case. This suggests that the overall dimensions of the device haven't changed drastically. However, the camera area on the Fold 6 is noticeably larger, indicating significant upgrades in the camera department. A larger camera area usually means better sensors and enhanced photo and video capabilities, which is always a welcome improvement for mobile photography enthusiasts. Outro. That wraps up our detailed comparison of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Fold 5. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new Fold 6. Do you think these changes make it a worthy upgrade? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all things mobile tech. Thank you for watching Future Phone Flash. See you in the next video. Peace out.